wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey guys, welcome back to a very Christmassy Yorkshire Car Restoration.
In this video, we're going to be revealing our big secret.
But first, we've got some Christmas games. And the first game is Christmas Joke Challenge.
So let's grab some crap jokes and let's crack on. So the rules of the game are simple. Three of us take a mouthful of water, one person tells a couple of jokes, however many people spit the water out, that means that many, no. The joke teller gets that amount of points. And we've got a scoring system.
Joke number one. Is that one point?
Game face.
Okay. 2 points, sorry. I've not even got to the joke yet. How does a penguin build his house? He glues it together.
You got your jokes on the same place as me.
On the back of a penguin wrapper. Did you hear about Snowy the snowman that went on holiday? He went to the Bahamas and never came back.
Right, is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Right, so 7,000 points to Adam because...
So I'll tell next joke.
Yeah, that's just a drink as well.
Why does Santa have 3 gardens? So he can ho ho ho. What happened to the man who stole an advent calendar? He got 25 days.
You're not allowed to laugh and tell your joke. 2 snowmen in a field. One snowman turns to the other snowman and says, "Can you smell carrots?" What happens if you eat all decorations off a Christmas tree? You'll get tinselitis.
Drink up.
Oh.
Drink up.
Need some more water.
Yeah, drink some.
It's all down his stamp. He took my nose.
Did you hear about what happened to Santa's pet cow named Frederick when it got stuck in the earthquake? Milkshake. No. Oh. Hey, you just spat it out. What's the best Christmas gift to give? A broken drum. You can't beat it.
On my glasses. I actually launched it on my glasses.
A broken drum, you can't beat it. Yeah, it is. So, there's... So the scores are Adam 2, Rich 2, Ryan 2, Steve 1.
So let's grab some tools and let's crack on.
Is it alright? Hey.
Huh?
Is this, what's happened here? Is this the big secret?
Is this the big secret? Oh, what's this?
What's that for?
I like this.
So guys, this is the big secret.
I'm the cameraman. And now we see the Garbutus in his natural environment, monkeying around. Joined by the younglings, they all vie for dominance in a new big world.
I'm going to walk that way first, into the centre.
You go on talking.
So, we'll give you a little bit of a tour of the whole place. Now, we did say it was big, and we mean it is big. Right, so we'll basically give you a little bit of a tour. So, as you saw, up here, we've got a big gantry crane. There's one over that side, one over that side, 5 tons each, that's 10 tons. We need to sort all of the lights out, we need to clean everything. Steve's over there in the corner. We've also got all of this space here, which is going to be for classic car storage. So if you're local and you want to store your car here, we've got the facilities to do so. So as we mentioned, we've got a lot of work to do on the floor, we've got a lot of cleaning. That's not going to be in this video, that's going to be in a future video. But this is our Christmas present to you guys and to ourselves.
Bro! Merry Christmas, it's your elephant. Oh, it's not an elephant.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Just one more car, I promise. That'll do me. Never.
Okay, voiceover Ryan here. So we've lost the audio to this clip, but basically this is minigame number 2, and we've each got 3 tyres, and the other 3 people line up, and we've got to ball the tyres through either the legs or hit someone's leg. So to get it through the legs is 2 points, and to hit someone's leg is 1 point each. Right, so the results are Richard, I forgot your name then. Richard in first place with 7 points.
7.
Adam in second place with 6 points. Steve in third place with 5 points.
And last.
And me in last place with 3 points.
3 measly points.
So with that being said, we do want to wish every one of you a very Merry Christmas, and we are going to do a giveaway as well. So Richard being the winner, what shall we give away?
Since it's winter and it's freezing, 1 hoodie for the best comment.
So 1 hoodie for the best comment, and Richard will select that best comment, and it'll be posted on our channel, whoever wins that. So make sure you keep an eye out on our channel for that. We will also do a giveaway in the new year, so also keep your eyes out on the channel for some questions on there, and you will be automatically entered into our giveaway. So as you can see, we've got a massive task on our hands, cleaning all this floor, playing with this gantry crane, and getting everything over into this unit, but that will be in another video. So with that being said, we do want to wish all of you a very happy Christmas, and a very Merry Christmas, and
You just say a very Merry Christmas.
a very Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
Can we go again? I'm laughing the whole way. Can we go again? I'm laughing again.
I had a nice confused look on my face.
It seems like the lights have like sorted themselves out now.
And now we see the males in their natural environment as they try to assert their dominance.